Hi, my name is Jack, and I'm a freshman at Nokomis Regional High School. I just want to tell you that I hope you're feeling better every day. I hope that this message brings you a little cheer this holiday season, and I hope you feel better soon. Wishing you the very best. Happy holidays.
My name is Colton. I'm a junior at Nokomis Regional High School, and I'll be singing Silver Bells for you. Silver bells, silver bells, it's Christmas time in the city. Ring-a-ling, hear them ring, soon it will be Christmas Day. City sidewalks, busy sidewalks, dressed in holiday style. In the air there's a feeling of Christmas. Children laughing, people passing, meeting smile after smile. And on every street corner you hear silver bells, silver bells, it's Christmas time in the city. Ring-a-ling, hear them ring, soon it will be Christmas Day. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great holiday season.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we know a place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Hi, I'm Michaela, and I'm a choir student at Nokomis, and I would just like to thank you for all you do. Our community recognizes you, and we appreciate you. Have the happiest of holidays.
Hi there, my name is Dean Neal and I'm the Director of Music at Nokomis Regional High School in Newport. I want to wish you the very best and wish you a safe and speedy recovery. Hope you feel better soon and trust that you're getting the very best care where you are. We wish you the very best this holiday season and all the best wishes to you and your family. God bless.
Hi, my name is Riley and I'm a junior at Nokomis Regional High. I just wanted to take a moment to say happy holidays and I hope you get well soon.
Hi, my name is Abby. I am a freshman at Nokomis Regional High School in the band, and I just wanted to say that I hope you feel better soon, and I hope this video brings you a little cheer this holiday season, and yeah.
Hello, my name is Kelly Sprague. I am a freshman at Nokomis Regional High. So yeah, I know this year's been really tough, and yeah, I don't know any other way to describe it. It's just been really hard, but yeah, it's going to get better in some form, some way or another. It's going to get better, so I'm going to try and cheer you up, especially if you're feeling down. So that's gonna be great. Work with me. So I'm going to be playing and singing Silent Night by Miss Christmas. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Silent night, holy night.
Hi, my name is Hunter and I'm a junior at Nokomis Regional High and I'm in the jazz chorus. I just wanted to say that I wish you a very speedy recovery and I hope you keep feeling better every day. And I hope this message brings you a little bit of joy in these hard times, and I hope you have a happy holidays and get well soon. God bless.
Justin. I go to Nokomis Regional High School. I hope you get well soon and have a happy holiday.
Hi, I'm Bray Justice. I'm a junior at Nokomis. Thank you for all you do and have a happy holiday.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we know a place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Hi, I'm Michaela, and I'm a choir student at Nokomis, and I would just like to wish you the happiest of holidays. I hope you feel better soon. I am sending you all of my well wishes.
Hello, I am Michael, and I am a 9th grader at Nokomis Regional High School, and I want you to play this little piece for you, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you, staff, for all you do, and have a happy holiday.